We're at an official overnight park up. There's us parked up down there. 5 other vans here. And it is a stay the night scheme. Nook's happy, look at him. Big nutter. Loves being on the grass. He's a happy boy. He likes coming to places like this, don't you, Nookie Bear? Birdie up there. And that there is a visitor centre. The bird in the background making me laugh. It's the visitor centre and the cafe. Toilets in there as well. Obviously they're shut now, but they'll be open in the morning. And this is part of the Galloway forest. Can't remember if I've said that already. So it's in Dumfries and Galloway. Just off the I-75. And the name of the place is Kirroughtree. And I'll put the spelling up. Nookie having a wee again. And that in front is Cairnsmore of Fleet. It's a granite hill and it sits above Wigtown Bay. It's a national nature reserve and is a key part of the Galloway and Southern Ayrshire biosphere. It's got falcons, hen harriers and merlin, occasionally golden eagle, brown hares and mountain hares.
Morning everyone. It's about 10 to 7 in the morning. I've come out for a walk down to the bird hide. There's a lot of noise going on, woodpeckers, birds. And then when I come out of the motorhome, there's some strange howling, screeching noise. And then I saw a deer come running from one field, across the front of the motorhome, and bounced over the edge into the woods where I am now. I can still hear some faint squealing, howling noise, so it might be still around. But we're going to go down to the bird hide, have a look, see if I can see some red deer. Not red deer, red squirrel. Red deer would be nice too. This is where we parked up last night. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 vans, and then there's us down here. Big car park, plenty of parking. You will need to chock it up to his front down, but it's quiet, lovely views, lots of walks, deer, red squirrels, birds. What else can you ask for?
We've just come out for a walk. Nookie was just going mad and we saw a deer, but I can't get it on here. Up there somewhere. Meant to be roe deer here. But I ain't gonna get it with this and we don't know where it's gone. Gotta say though, the signage here to do the walks, we ain't got a clue. It's supposed to be a brown one, a yellow one and a purple one. The only one we found yesterday was a purple one. The other two, there's no signs anywhere. You ain't got your post with your colours on, so you don't know where the bloody hell you're going. She's a bit crap really. So, don't know where we'll end up. So as you can see, we're going to walk through big wheels, because this is a massive cycling place as well. You can hire bikes here because it's part of the Seven Stains cycle tracks. We went back to the beginning to where the signs are, and then if you walk down for the start of the trail, you can go left, right or straight on. Right is for the wildlife hide, and then left, what says forest walks, is for the other walks. Well, the one we want to do anyway, which is the orange one. So at the minute we're just walking, seeing no colours anywhere, any posts. So see where we end up. But it looks nice enough. Our first post. We actually know where we're going now. Gotta be lovely here in the summer. Hey look, there's a face on the tree. There, look. Did you think it was something more interesting? Yeah. No. So the reason it looks so green here is because it's so mossy, ain't it, Carl?
Yep, hanging off the trees.
Yeah.
Mental.
Mad it is. Looks lovely though in the sun.
Yeah, that is, yeah.
Everything just covered in green moss. And look at that for a reflection. Gorgeous, ain't it, Uggs?
Oh yeah, definitely.
And it is Bruntis Loch. So this is the orange trail, and it probably took us 10-15 minutes at the most. Done it?
Yep.
Yep. Gorgeous.
And quiet.
Yeah. I've only seen one person with a dog. That is it. And that is the 50th anniversary cairn. And it might look plastic, but it's marble, ain't it, Carl?
I think it's marble. It's definitely stone.
Yeah, proper solid.
Looks like it's cut in the diamond pattern.
Yeah. Not sure what it's for. We'll find out and put it up at the bottom.
But it's good.
Yeah. We've come onto the yellow route now. And this is Little Bruntis Loch, which is probably about a 3-minute walk from the other one. So quiet. Good to see the replanting, as you can see. And you can hear my favourite springtime bird again. Chiff chaff. And the elusive poo bag fairy's been again, ain't they, Carl?
Yes.
Yeah. Tied up the poo in a black bag.
And left it for everyone to see.
Yeah. I mean, just let your dog have a poo. Flick it with a stick.
Yeah.
That's what they tell you to do in places like this, don't they?
But now they leave a plastic bag that's going to be there for 1,000 years.
Yeah, exactly. Dumbasses, man.
Yep.
But to be fair, that is the only one we've seen on this walk so far. So not too bad going. Lovely again, look. Super duper green again. Been a nice walk so far, ain't it, Hugs?
Oh yeah, definitely a nice walk.
Yeah. Would you stay here again?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
It is nice here, ain't it? I mean, it's a Saturday today as well. It's about 11:30. And it's in that couple, ain't we?
Yeah.
And a woman with a dog. That is it. Nice and quiet. Probably full of kids by the visitor centre, but lovely here.
Yep, definitely.
We've come off track a bit. Because there's a sign saying Kirroughtree laid. And it's where there used to be a tin mine. So we're going to go and see if we can see anything. And look at the beautiful yellow gorse. We're still on the track to the mine. But look at that for views through the trees. So this path that we're on, nearly the whole of the path we've walked on, was running water. But obviously no more, because of the forest being planted up. So a lade is the water. It looks like a little stream, but they are man-made structures, aren't they?
They are.
And Carl will tell you what they were used for.
They were used for the cleaning and the crushing machines. What they used to do is they had to keep a high pressure in the water, so they lined it with slate, wood, waterproof clay. So by the time it gets down to the bottom, it's under pressure, and obviously the crushing machines work better, more pressure.
So we haven't seen any proper remains of tin mining or anything. Any buildings or anything. But the good thing is this path takes us back to the big loch. See, told ya. So we've just got to do a right here now and get back onto the routes what take us back.
Yep.
Good job I remember reading things, ain't it? Like what he's reading now.
It says the water supply came from the dam.
Oh, did it?
Yep.
What dam? You mean the
Dam,
loch?
yeah. The loch, yeah. That's the dam wall.
Oh, right.
It channeled the bottom of the dam and come out, if you look at the picture, and obviously flowed all the way down.
Oh, okay. I did wonder what the wall was.
Yeah.
Now we know.
Yep.
And that's the dam wall in the middle of the screen. Lovely sunny day. Turned out nice again. Who said that then, Uggs?
Don't you know?
Go on.
John Wayne.
Oh,
yeah,
funny.
Get off your horse and milk it.
You milk your horse?
Yeah, that's what he said.
He said get off your horse and drink your milk.
No, I thought he said milk it.
No.
I don't know. I don't watch the John Wayne.
Come on, who was it?
Not Norman Wisdom, was it?
No, it wasn't Norman Wisdom.
Is it the bloke who goes with the little thing?
Ukulele, yes.
I don't know his
And the
name.
big teeth.
I don't know his name.
George Formby,
Yeah,
man. God, what's he like? He's leaning on his lamppost on the corner of the street.
Yeah, well,
When a certain little lady walks by, I think the words are, oh me, oh my. Yeah, well I grew up with musicals and stuff, don't I?
yeah,
Yeah.
at least you had a telly.
So did you?
No, we don't. We were poor, we were.
Yeah, yeah.
I made my own telly out of a cardboard box. Don't work. Worth a try.
Dumbass, I know. And we're pretty much back where we started now. No more peace and quiet. And we can hear that lovely sound of children playing, can't we? Yeah, our favourite sound that is, isn't it?
I know. As soon as I come over there, I heard it have a shiver down my spine.
Nook's chilling on the grass. And we're going to have a hottie chockey from the calf. Just having our yummy hottie chockies again, ain't we?
Yep.
Look well nice. Look at that. Oh, Cole's got no head. Look at the cream on there. I've ate half of it though. There's us parked up there, look. Perfect reflection. Galloway Hills in the background. Lovely. Peaceful. And we're actually on the side of an high road. Little chiff chaff again. And we are back on the I-712 where the red deer range is and the goat park. And this is a little pond we saw when we drove past 2 weeks ago. Ain't it lovely? I think you've got a farm building behind. Might just be a house without buildings, I don't know. But it's mega quiet. And we're just taking a stroll around the pond. Pool. Whatever you want to call it. Before we leave. Because it's our last day in Scotland and we are leaving in a minute. When we get back with Nookie Monst. And going back over the border to England. Unfortunately. Not that there's anything wrong with England. Just gone a bit quick. Perfect reflection again, that is, isn't it? Stunning. And we're back where we started in Morecambe Bay.